You're deaf, Peter Pan!
I'll swing at you now and kill you.
Oh, damn. I'm not very good at this, am I? Can you meet your death from here? Will that do?
That will do, but
Good.
Ah! You cut my stick off again.
Yes! The pirate rule. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute.
I keep Okay, I admit defeat. I have prickles in my hand. Captain Hook, that was bad. Right.
Right.
I warn you.
Will you die this time?
No. Your pen. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm good at this.
Not good at this, are you? Did I surrender?
Where be the treasure?
I thought I would see Pan here.
Yeah, I also know where the treasure is.
Well, put your hat back on.
Where be the treasure?
Over there by the two couple.
Let's go.
Oh, right. Glad we got that one sorted out. Anyway, Captain Hook.
That be the end, innit?